So today we'll be discussing about Mux. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here and search for Mux. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts. You can choose them all. And after choosing them all, you can just enable them as well for automatic future installations. So I'm not just installing it on my all of sub accounts. I'm just choosing my specific sub account, which is Ali. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account onto which we have installed Mux. Here we are. As you can see, it is installed. Choose the location on which you have installed. We are on the sub account and now we have to get it configured. To do that, so find for app configuration in the navigation bar. Here it is, and you just find for Mux. You have to get it configured. To do that, so you have to find the Mux token ID and the Mux token secret. And to do that, so you have to create an account with Mux, and after that in the settings you can find for the access tokens and you can create your own token ID and token secret. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are on the Mux account and we have already created the Mux account, and now we are in the settings. If you just click or just move the scroll bar towards there, you can just find the settings and access tokens, and here it is. You can just I have already created a token. You can just create your own, generate new token. You can just choose your niche and allow with the accesses and the permissions, and after that you can just name that as I have already did, generate token, and you have to copy these two IDs, like the access token ID and the secret key. Copy paste these two of the codes there, and it will be configured. Now we are back on the platform. After copy pasting, you can just submit, and as you can see, it is successfully configured now. The next step will be moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow. Move up your scroll bar, find for the automations, and just create a workflow. Start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder and we have to create a new action. Find for Mux, and as you can see, yeah, as you can see, these are the variety of options of the actions you can use into your workflow and use it into your automations. You can just create playback ID, you can get them, you can delete them. Same as with the assets, you can create, get, and delete. Let's just create asset. You have to input your asset here. You have to basically you have to put your URL here in which you have to create your asset. Let's just copy paste, and after that you can just choose. You have to do it public or signed. Save this action, save the whole, and now we'll be testing our workflows. Select any of your contact to set an example for the moment and run this test. Now we are moving forward towards the execution log to see that it is successfully executed or not. As you can see, it is successfully executed. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.